All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 13. It says the polygon news is represented by a piece of fabric on a sewing table. The following follow the directions and draw 3 different locations for the piece of the fabric. All right, location 1, translate news, 9 units left, 2 units down. Label the polygon N prime, E prime, W prime, S prime. What are the coordinates of W prime? Okay, so we're going to translate, which means we'll slide. 9 units left and 2 units down. So let's start that, and we'll label that location 1 and give it some primes. So 9 left, 2 down. So I'm going to go ahead and start, let's just say with N. I'm going to move N 9 to the left, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, and then 1, 2 down. We would then label that N prime. That would be 9 to the left, 2 down. And then this is just how I personally do it. And then I just now go, what's the distance between N and S? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So I count over 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And I know S prime will be here. And then I can check it. 9 left, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, and 1, 2 down. Sure. Then I look, what's the distance between N and E? Because that's going to be the distance between N prime, E prime. 1, 2, 3 boxes. So I know there's 1, 2, 3 boxes between. So I can label that E prime. That's a big old E. And I can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, 2 down. Then I can say, what's the distance between S and W? 2. So between S prime and W prime will be 2. There's W prime. And again, if you really feel the need, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, 2 down. So this would be location 1. Location 1. It's just a slide. Location 2, they want us to go, oh, sorry, they want to know what W prime is. My bad. W prime is -1, 3. -1, 3. Now they want us to go back to the original piece of fabric and rotate it 90 clockwise about the origin. I had to change the right up here because at first it was too complicated. 90 clockwise about the origin. So for letter B, 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. You can follow the rule. First reverse. So XY becomes YX. Arrow. Change the sign. First reverse, arrow, change the sign. So if we take a look here at, let's say, E, the original E is 4, 6. 4, 6 would become, first I do 6, 4. Arrow, change the sign. So it would become 6, -4. Sorry about that. It would become 6, -4. So we become 6, -1, -2, -3, -4. So that would be E prime. If I was going to continue on and I wanted to do N, the original N was 4, 3. 4, 3. So the new N, first reverse. Arrow, change the sign, so it would be 3, -4. 3, -1, 2, 3, 4. Label that N prime. And I could do the same for S and W, or I could just realize, oh, I'm swinging down. So from N, I got to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This must be S prime. And again, I could do, my original S was 8, 3. So my S prime would be first reverse, arrow, change the sign, so 3, -8. There's 3, -8. And W, I know, is 2 away from S, so it's still going to be 1, 2 away from S. So I know my W prime would land there. That would be 8, 5. If you want me to double check for you, W prime, first reverse, 5, 8, arrow, change the sign. So it's 5, -8, there it is. So this is location 2. And then they're going to ask me for a coordinate. So this is location 2. What coordinate do they want? Point S prime. S prime is 3, -8. All right, location 3. Reflect the original across the line y equals 2. Draw the new polygon. Okay, y equals 2. So for letter C, first we have to know y equals 2. So here's some work for letter C. Y equals 2. If I can't remember how to draw the line y equals 2, I just use some points off of that line. Doesn't say what x has to be, but it says y has to be 2. Y has to be 2. Y has to be 2. So I don't know, we could do 3, 2, -3, 2, 8, 2. I'm just making things up. Y has to be 2. So 3, 2, 3, 2. -3, 2, -3, 2. 8, 2, 8, 2. Okay, here's the line. Y equals 2. Sorry about how wavy my line is. Y equals 2. Now I'm going to reflect my original across that line. Well, if S is 1 above, S prime will be 1 below. If W is 1, 2, 3 above, W prime will be 1, 2, 3 below. You'll notice the distance between S and W is 2 boxes still. Between S and W, 2 boxes. If N is 1 above, N prime will be 1 below the line of reflection. If E is 1, 2, 3, 4 above, E prime will be 1, 2, 3, 4 below. You'll notice 1, 2, 3 boxes between, still 1, 2, 3 boxes between. The new trapezoid is still congruent. This is location 3. The new trapezoid is still congruent. So name the coordinates of E prime. E prime would be 4, -2. E prime would be 4, -2. So this work right here, that's so ugly. This work right here is for part B. This work up here is for part C. Oh, all over the place on this video. All right, I hope that helps.